We will. We'll definitely come with magic figures. I'm not going to say that it's going to be a clean sweep and it's going to be us and all that. But yes, we will work on the magic figures and we will form a government. That is, see, Telangana, I leave it to experienced people like him to say. You ask me overall India, I'll say that whether we are winning or not, I will say yes, Congress, because this election is not about a state. 16 seats గెలిపిస్తే చూద్దాం అదే చూద్దాం లేదండి నేను ఉంటాను కదా నేను ఇక్కడ ఉంటాను మరి స్వీట్ ఇస్తే నేను వస్తాను తీసుకోవడానికి ఏమండి ఎందుకు అండి ఐ లీడ్ మై సెల్ఫ్ వై వేస్ట్ ఇట్ ఆయన షుగర్ పేషెంట్ అండి ఫర్ ఇండియా ఆర్ ఫర్ తెలంగాణ
Congress one we can say any number we wish. But I'll put the facts before you and you decide the numbers and you do the arithmetic. In UP and Bihar, last time they got 84 seats. This time they say because of the magic of Adityanath, they may maximum make it 40. Then this is a known fact. Then what's not popularly known is in the border states, that is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, and the central Indian states of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, they are 165 Lok Sabha seats, and last time BJP won 160 out of 165, an impossible feat they achieved last time, and this time very surely they will be nowhere near the number after having lost Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. So the likely target, last time what they got 160 out of 165, this time they'll max out between 60 and 70 is what is a popular notion, because out of this already they lost. Now put the arithmetic together. They were making some gains in the northeast, and after the citizenship bill, even that they lost. Now southern states, do you think BJP will get anything in southern states? Maybe a few in Karnataka, and that's about it. So, yeah. So do the arithmetic yourself. So BJP will lose minimum 50% of its seats what they got last time. Now where will those 50% seats? A significant definitely will go to Congress. So do your arithmetic. It will be a close number between the Congress number and the BJP. But as a partner for anyone, whether it's Akhilesh Yadav or Mamata Banerjee or Mayawati, a more favorable partner is a Congress, and definitely not the authoritarian partner and the dictatorial partner. So you can guess who forms the government this time.
I can be very sure of Tamil Nadu. They've got 5, and we had a Tamil Nadu BJP president saying that she would make sure the lotus blooms in the sea of Thoothukudi. So I've never seen, they have become scientists from gynecologists, they've become scientists, they're trying to bloom lotus in a sea. So as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, it's going to be 0 for BJP. And even in Kerala, what we look at it, they were lucky last time with 1. So probably only that, if otherwise not even that. Andhra is 0. So the magic numbers, what? See, when I say the way the entire BJP, including the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, you see them staggering there, you see them fumbling, you see the kind of aggression of a different kind on their faces. It's about hate. The aggression is about hate. The aggression is about talking about communal problem. The aggression is about bringing in a divide between the people. The aggression is not about welfare. The aggression is not about unity. The aggression is not about love and compassion. The aggression is not about the growth. It is about divide. It is about communal. And that is because they know they're losing. So they are trying to, in Hindi there is a saying, डूबने वाले को तिनके का सहारा. So उनका तिनका एक खाली मजहब रह चुका है, that communal उनका एक तिनका बन चुका है. So they're trying to latch on to that last log they see before sinking, and I'm very sure that this is not going to work.